Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Burchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card is going to feature True Beauty. It does come with a coordinating die. If a stamp set comes with a coordinating die or punch or embossing folder, get it. It is so worth it. And if you're like me and really don't like fussy cutting, the die cuts are really going to come in handy. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and as always, all the supplies I've used are in the description box below. Let's make a card. failed to mention in my intro that I would be making 4 cards at once using that grid technique and just stamping. I went ahead and grabbed from Color and Contour stamp set the speckles. It needed a little bit more dimension on there. Just using the 2 colors of Parakeet Party and Daffodil Delight, I think this would make a lovely gift set for anybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye. Hi, it's Future Me. I totally forgot to add some pearls. You need to bling these up just a bit. So take your pick tool, squish and slide, and they'll come right off. Remember to put odd number. We're going for 3 today. And that just adds a little bit something. Let's keep going. That's better. Now, stop watching YouTube. Go make your own set. Bye.